Okay, this is video blog number 6 for this class, so I guess that means it is also the last video blog for our program. Woohoo! This is my blog that we've been keeping throughout the whole program. At first I was a bit wary of this because I've never blogged before. I've journaled here and there in my spare time, but I just thought the idea of a blog was kind of lame, especially when it was something I was forced to do instead of something I'm interested in. But it really did grow on me. Mine is called Space Station Education because I found a really cool template for space theme on the Blogspot format. So let's take a look at some of my posts. This is what my blog looks like. I think the format is pretty sleek and clean, and I definitely stuck with the space theme from the graphics all the way to the name and the content. This is my first blog. I still remember writing it, and it's even more insightful to look back at what my thought process was, the challenges I was having, the perspective I had going into the program, and then to see the progress I've made, not just in my knowledge and accumulation of information, strategies, and practices, but also just in the development of my perspective, my own professional and personal growth. Like I said, I grew to really love this blog, and I hope to be able to continue it even after this program is done with. I really liked being able to document my thoughts and my learning and insights based on all the various discussion board topics we had, applied theory papers, my goodness, all the assignments. But it was really rewarding to see not a finished product, but a body of work from all the different blogs that I had over the last 2 years. So that's been a highlight for sure. I will now show you all of my tech badges. Let me just sign in here. Again, the tech badge is something I was not a fan of at all to start. I thought it was a bit tedious, a bit, I don't know, superfluous, I guess you can say. But now I am growing on the idea of using tech badges as a way to motivate and encourage continued professional development. So these are all, look at all these badges I've earned. And as extrinsic of motivation as it is kind of nice to see it all in one place. It is kind of a showcase of all the work that I've done. Those are the badges. As for the ISTE, I remember I put myself as developing to start, and I would still consider myself developing, but I am much more comfortable with not only technology, but with continuing to be a user of technology and an applier of all the technology within not just the scope of my own learning, but in the practices of my learning community. What I'm most excited for is to really share a lot of these great resources that I've been able to find out about and use while at Brandman. So that is my last blog. Signing off.